The first thing you're going to need is your card template and a piece of colored paper. And you're going to use the colored paper to cover the front part of your card. So you're going to flip it over so the white side is showing and put your card template on it and glue your card template onto the paper. Then you're going to trim the paper and fold down the edges and put glue along the side of the paper backing and just fold that paper backing over. So I found it helpful if you fold the paper over first and then put the glue on and then fold the paper down and press it down with your fingers. This is a good time to make sure that all of your decorations are on the front part of your card. So when you're ready to put your LED in, you won't disturb your decorations. The next part is to peel off the paper backing on the copper tape and follow the lines on the inside of the card to lay the copper tape down. Make sure you push it down tight and make sure that it is not going into the circle part that's on the card. So now you're going to take a black Sharpie marker and your LED, and you're going to find the longest prong on your LED. That prong is the positive prong, and you're going to color it with the permanent black marker. This is going to make it easier to remember which one's which when you turn it back. Then you're going to take the pointy end of your scissors or a pencil and poke a hole in that circle. And from the front part of the card, the decorated part, you're going to push your LED light through and bend the prongs of your LED light down to rest on top of the copper tape. So you'll see the black prong will go on the copper tape where the plus sign is, that's the positive end, and then the other prong will go on the other piece of copper tape, that's the negative end. Then you're going to take another smaller piece of copper tape and lay it over top of each prong to hold it down. On the corner of each part of your card, you want to make sure you put a double strip of copper to make sure it's a square. That's going to be your contact point. Then on one end, you're going to put the battery with the plus side up. So if you look at the battery, there's a plus on the top. Put the plus side up and then just tape the battery down. And then when you close your card and pinch the pieces together, your light should light up.